In this video, I'll show you how to create and send an invoice in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Invoices in the left side menu. Then, click Create Invoice to start a new invoice. Next, select an existing customer or create a new one if needed. After that, click Add Item to include the products or services you want to charge for. Enter the description, quantity, price, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Now, review the invoice details, including the payment due date and accepted payment methods. Make sure all the information is correct before sending it. Once everything looks good, click Send Invoice. Stripe will email the invoice to your customer with a secure payment link, making it easy for them to pay online. You can also track the invoice status from the Invoices page to see when it has been viewed or paid. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and send an invoice in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.